Morning everyone, Pierre here from Linux Yamaha Linwood, and today I just quickly want to chat about launch etiquette and the right way to do it. I know it's extremely frustrating, we've all been there. You get to the launch, everyone's excited, the kids are shouting, everyone just wants to get in the water, and someone is taking forever to get in the water. So here's a few tips just to make that a lot quicker. Find somewhere at the dam where you can quickly park off the boat, take off the boat cover so long, get the cooler boxes on there, the life jackets, everything that you need on the boat, get it on so long. Then obviously quickly do all your checks. Come to the back, make sure that your drain plug is in, that's obviously very important, and then you'll loosen the boat as well, get all the clips off on both sides, and you'll come around, just check if your batteries are okay, you check on the trim, then also obviously if you have any trailer supports or any guides, this is the time to take it off as well. Once everything's loose and ready, then you can go through to the water and get a quick launch. Remember, just keep the front of the boat tied on at all times. Okay guys, so now you've reversed down to the water. Obviously, as mentioned before, this front winch is very important to stay connected when you're coming down the launch. Now we're going to move the boat into the water. When it starts touching the water, we're going to then loosen it. So let's bring the bucky back. So when you know your boat's secure, then you can come around, loosen the winch, take off the winch from here, and then you're ready to go.